Welcome to another episode of Tutorial Series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make text shine effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Create a new sequence, then type in your text. Adjust your text in the Properties panel, make it align to the center. Adjust your text color accordingly. Open Effect window and search for lighting effects. Add this to the text. Then head over to the Effect Controls panel. Under the lighting effects, let's expand light. One setting set, light type to directional. Then select the pen tool that's under the lighting effects, and inside of the preview window, create a skewed rectangular mask. Make sure the time indicator is at the beginning. Create a keyframe for mask path by clicking on a stopwatch icon, then move few seconds forward, then select the mask 1 in order to see it in the preview window and drag it across to the other side to the right. Make the intensity to 100. That way, we've created the animated shine effect.